consolidate entities in different currencies into a single reporting currency with Joiin, and Joiin will handle all of the FX conversions for you. So you can see here I've got a list of companies, my Danish-based Apple Danish company, my Joiin Limited Great British Pounds based company, and my Joiin US sub in US dollars. So if I go on over to the P&L, I can run a single P&L in multi-currency for these three companies. I'll first select the companies I'd like to include. So I'm going to choose Joiin Limited and my Joiin US sub. I can then choose the reporting currency. So at the moment, we're looking at it in Danish kroner, but I want to report in British pounds. I'm going to apply those changes, and Joiin will manage all of the currency translations in the background for me. And then I can decide how I'd like to lay out my report. So rather than this month, actually, I'd like to see a calendar year-to-date report. I'll save those changes, run that report, and Joiin's manage all of that for me.